how to fix Monopoly Go crashing. Now, what we are going to do is just several steps in order for us to try to troubleshoot this problem. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and open your settings, and then you're going to go ahead and locate that app. So this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and look for Monopoly Go. All right, there's the app itself. I'm going to open it, and then from here we're going to head over to storage, and then we're just going to go ahead and clear the data just like so. So remember, the data here is quite heavy, but don't worry, you have it saved with your account. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then this time I want you to go ahead and try to open Monopoly Go. So basically, if you open it, you are going to have to sign in once again. Now, say for example, still you are experiencing that problem, I want you to go ahead and open your Play Store. So I'm just going to go ahead and open mine right here. And once I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and look for Monopoly Go. And then I'm just going to make sure that the app itself is updated to the latest version. Otherwise, there might be a problem or bugs that they haven't fixed in that previous update. And then say for example, you have already updated it and then you're still experiencing that problem. I want you to go ahead and open Google, and here in Google, I want you to look for down detector. So you're going to go ahead and try to see if Monopoly Go is experiencing some problem. So here, go ahead and click the search bar and type here Monopoly Go, and then go ahead and click the search button. And then if you're going to check here, you'll see that it is plain, meaning nothing is happening. There's no problem with Monopoly Go as of the moment. But say for example, you're experiencing or you're seeing like spikes here, graphs here. Basically what it means is that it is experiencing problem as of the moment. So yeah, this is a live chart. So basically when people experiencing problem, they report it here immediately. Now, say for example, that still doesn't work, then the last resort that I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys is basically to uninstall the app. So you're going to uninstall it here, and once it is uninstalled, you are going to reinstall it once again. Now try to see if that works, and basically those are the only ways for us to be able to fix Monopoly Go when it is crashing.